Hey, so I'm gonna show how to set up an SSH tunnel. Basically, I have a web server running here on just default port 80, and I want to be able to access this from my network. And for whatever reason, port 80 is blocked. So here now on my terminal, using MobiX term, just find it handy. I'm gonna create an SSH connection to my VM. So the IP address is 0.27. So that's how I connect usually. And in order to create a tunnel, we use the -L. And with -L, we need to pass in, firstly, where we want the connection to start. So this on the local host. What port? Let's say 80. Keep it simple. Then colon again, where we want it to go to. So the destination is going to be the destination of the VM. 0.27 and the destination port 80. So that is going to allow me to SSH, and it's going to open up port 80 on my local host and allow me to access port 80 on the remote host via this connection. So you enter passwords and they're in. And it doesn't do anything right now, but once you go to a browser, which I'll show you now, and we can connect. So here I am now at Microsoft Edge, don't judge me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to HTTP 127.0.0.1, which is where we said that we wanted the connection, and obviously default is port 80, so this should just bring me through the tunnel to my Apache page, and that's all she wrote. You can do the same thing on putty. I can show that as well. Okay, so here's putty. It's slightly easier, the GUI, well, whatever. So 192, not 129. And 0.22, and then we go down to SSH and tunnels, and in here you have the source port, so the port that you want to open on your source. So obviously the port that you want to open on localhost, so we say 80, and then our destination, and the destination will be the 192.168.0.27, which is the IP of my VirtualBox VM. It's using bridge connection, so I can connect to it without using, if I use NAT I have to do port forwarding as well, so this way just simplifies this a little bit. but here in the destinations, same format, 127, the IP address colon IP colon port, and then click add, and it does the same thing, -L 80 localhost, and then remote destination, and then you hit and you log in. And now you should be able to go back to the browser and see the same result. And here we are back again. I am using a private window with no cache, so in case you think I'm cheating. And there you go. So it all works. Simple as that.